Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. You're watching QuisiTech, your go-to source for all things tech. If you're passionate about the latest gadgets, smartphones, and tech tips, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of maintaining your premium device, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Specifically, we're talking about the LCD screen, its importance, common issues, and how to go about replacing it if needed. Now, if you're a proud owner of this flagship smartphone, you know that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a marvel of modern technology, packed with innovation, power, and style. But even the best devices need a little TLC sometimes, especially when it comes to screens. The importance of the LCD in your iPhone 15 Pro Max. First off, let's talk about why the LCD, or liquid crystal display, is so vital. Unlike some other components, your screen isn't just for viewing content. It's the primary interface between you and your device. The LCD displays everything from your home screen, apps, photos, videos, to notifications. It's your window into the digital world. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's display isn't just any screen, it's a high-resolution, Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering stunning visuals, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling. If this screen gets damaged or stops working, your entire user experience can be compromised. Common LCD issues with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, what are some common issues that could happen to your LCD? Let's go over a few. Cracks and physical damage. Dropping your phone can lead to shattered screens or visible cracks. Dead pixels, small spots on the display that don't light up, ruining the viewing experience. Color distortion, faded colors or discoloration indicating underlying issues. Unresponsive touch. Sometimes the LCD can malfunction, making your screen unresponsive or erratic. Backlight issues. Parts of the screen may appear dim or completely dark. If you notice any of these problems, it might be time for an LCD replacement. Why you might need to replace the LCD? Replacing your LCD isn't just about fixing broken screens. It's about restoring your device's full functionality and maintaining its value. A damaged LCD can also lead to further issues like water damage or internal component failure if not addressed promptly. Whether your screen is cracked, unresponsive, or showing strange colors, replacing the LCD can bring your iPhone back to life, making it look and function like new. DIY or professional replacement? Now you might be wondering, can I replace the LCD myself? Honestly, while DIY kits are available, replacing an LCD on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a delicate process. It involves precise tools, technical skills, and knowledge of the device's internal components. For most users, I highly recommend seeking professional help. Authorized repair centers or experienced technicians have the proper tools and expertise to do the job safely, ensuring your device isn't further damaged. The LCD replacement process: what to expect. Choosing the right replacement LCD. When it comes to replacement parts, quality matters. Always opt for genuine or high-quality third-party LCDs compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Cheaper, lower-quality screens might save you money up front, but can lead to issues like flickering, color distortion, or even damage to your device. Product link in the description. We've included a trusted product link in the description below for premium LCD replacement kits and professional services. Remember, investing in quality ensures your device's longevity and optimal performance. Tips for preventing future damage. Prevention is better than cure. Here are some quick tips to keep your iPhone's screen safe. Conclusion, wrap up and call to action. That wraps up our deep dive into iPhone 15 Pro Max LCD replacement. If your device's screen is showing signs of trouble, don't hesitate to get it checked out by professionals. Remember, your screen is the window to your digital life. Keep it clear, responsive, and in top condition. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe for more in-depth tech guides and reviews. And don't forget to check out the product link in the description for quality replacement parts and services. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.